नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बेटियों। Today we are going to discuss the topic of biomedical signal artifacts. Basically, in this topic we are defining the different interference, means unwanted interference in biomedical signal processing, and this is an important topic in the biomedical signal subjects. In this context, biomedical artifact may be defined as any unwanted interference which alert the accuracy of the reading obtained from electrophysiological structure being studied. There may be caused in error in acquisition of data such as patient movement, may be in the affected by the instruments due to surroundings of biomedical signals and other tissues of the bodies, may be in others organs of the bodies. Artifacts are found in EEG, ECG and such an important signals. This can be from both external as well as internal sources. Unfortunately, a lots of these artifacts tends to have frequency quite similar to biosignals desired to the measured with the often greater amplitude. Basically, when unwanted signals are incorporated in the biomedical signals, we cannot define the which signals may be captured or not, and which signals is proper or which is not proper. In that case, the instrument cannot be measured the accurate signals due to the unwanted interference. Maybe the interference due to human bodies, other organs, maybe the interference of the surroundings of the patient, maybe the interference due to the instrument used by the doctors or the medical team. So in that context, the signal is disturbed and the instrument cannot be judged the actual proper signals. So these artifacts are affected the treatment of the human body, and we cannot judge the proper treatment without the proper signals. So this is the broadly explained the types of artifacts in the next classes. Thank you.